And it goes a little something like,
How can you all summer and after I'll keep you all summer and after.
Hey everyone, so today's look is going to be on this tangerine makeup look, and it's very bold and very fun looking for the summer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. Starting off with base makeup, I'm going to be priming my face using this Touch and Soul primer.
I don't know how you look so cool.
Since I wanted something a little bit more lightweight and easy to wear during the summer, I went in with a BB cream from SKINFOOD. And I like this one because it has a nice natural finish to it, but still has pretty good coverage.
Your lips taste just like tangerines. Can I kiss them like they're mine? I wanna give you everything, and I hope that you don't mind. Do you think about me?
Now to cover my dark circles and any other blemishes on my face, I went in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. And this concealer is super full coverage as well, so you don't need to put on that much.
You by my side, but when we talk about it,
For powder, I'm going to be using this M.A.C Studio Fix powder and just putting that all over my face, and this helps to give a little bit more extra coverage.
the way I make you smile, I'll pretend I'm yours if you will let me fall. Your lips taste just.
For eyebrows, I'm just going to be using this Aditom eye pencil just to fill in any sparse areas on my brows.
Give you everything, and I hope that you don't mind. Do you think about me all the time? Do you think about me all the time?
Next for primer, I'm going to be using this Essence Eye Primer and just priming my lids and also kind of carving out my brows as well.
I'm just trying to be happy with myself.
And then I just blended that all in with a sponge.
I'm just trying to be happy with myself.
Next, with this cream shade, I'm just going to be setting my eyelids.
Do you think you could be happy with myself? Your lips taste just like tangerines. Can I kiss them like them?
For a base color, I'm going to be using this bright orange NYX blush and putting that in my crease. And I really like this blush. It's super pigmented and it works great as an eyeshadow.
Me all the time. Do you think about me all the time? Do you think about me all the time? 'Cause
And then afterwards, I'm going to be blending out the harsh lines. Next, going in with another NYX blush. This is in the color Crimson. I'm just going to be using a small, denser brush just to pack that into the crease. And then I'm going to be using the same crease brush that I used for the orange earlier just to blend out the red. Next, I'm going to be using this burnt orange color and placing that right onto my crease and not blending it out too much since I want the colors to fade out gradually. And I'm going to be placing that onto my lower lash line as well. Next, I'm going to be using this super pretty ColourPop eyeshadow, and I don't really know how to describe this color, but I'm just going to be putting that on my eyelids using my fingers, and since it is a cream shadow, it just works better using your fingers. gold shade. Now I'm going to be using this ETUDE House eyeliner, and this is brown with a little bit of gold sparkles to it. And I'm just going to be using that to kind of draw a subtle wing. And you don't have to be super precise with this since we are going to be blending it out. Using this dark brown eyeshadow, I'm going to be smudging up the eyeliner that we just did. For mascara, I'm going to be using this one from Maybelline and putting that on my top and bottom lashes. So back onto the face, I'm just going to be bronzing my face using this Sun Bunny bronzer from Too Faced and just putting that onto the outer perimeters of my face, nothing too fancy. And I'm also going to be contouring my nose, and I don't know, it just makes the look better when I contour my nose, so yeah. For blush, I went in with the same NYX blush that I used earlier and put it on the apples of my cheeks along with the bridge of my nose to kind of give it the sunburnt look. And then I used this Benefit blush just to layer it on top and make it a little bit more prominent since I wanted a really bold blush look. Then I highlighted my face and I put on a little bit too much at once, so it was super intense, but don't worry, I blended it out later. So I just put that on my nose, onto my cupid's bow, and onto my cheekbones as well, just giving it that nice summer type of glow. Then I went in with a fan brush just to blend out the highlighter since it was a little bit too intense for my liking. For lips, I'm going to be first going in with a sheer peachy type of lipstick. Next, I went in with a red-orange type of lipstick and just focused that onto the center of my lips since I wanted the gradient type of lip look. So this is the final makeup look. I really love it, and I'm sorry that I've been doing a lot of warm tone makeup looks recently. It's just cool tones do not suit me that well. This is what I can work with. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!